Hey friend, what's going on? Cater here on a beautiful day, my friend. What I'm going to show you how to do in this little training webinar is how to send friend requests to everybody that's on your friend list to come to the webinar. How to invite all your friends to a webinar that we're going to have. So this is going to be a training that you can apply anytime that we're going to have a webinar and you would like to get people on board with whatever webinar that we're going to have, whatever tools, whatever training that we have. You can always follow these steps to do that. So for you to do that, just make sure there's a couple of ways that I'm going to show you how to do it. If you want to create your own event, you could do that. You can create your own event, but what you could do after I invite you to this event, what's all the buzz about LSN, come and learn, you're going to come inside of this event and you're going to click on invite. So once you get to the event page, you click on invite, it's going to show you all your friends. Now it will be just crazily tedious for you to go into clicking each one of your friends, especially someone like me that has over 4,000 friends. So what I'm going to show you is how to select all your friends at once and send them all to the webinar. I have this little app here that's called Facebook Invite All Friends. What I want you to do is go to Google, and once it comes up, that will give you the code. Like back in the days it was crazier because we had to get a code. Now you can just get this app. All right, just put Facebook invite all friends, and then on the first one, I believe, well, not the first one, just put add-on, because it's an add-on. So you could just click for the add-on, put Facebook invite all friends add-on. Alright, so that's the add-on for Mozilla Firefox. So if you're using Mozilla, that's gonna be the add-on. If you're using Chrome, they also gonna give you the add-on. There's gonna be maybe a different one, or you can just come into the add-on page and just search for Facebook invite all friends, and you see the little I. That's the one I have on my computer right now. Once it's there, you can click on it, the invite all. You're gonna download this add-on on your computer, and once you're in the Facebook page, you're gonna invite everybody to the webinar, and then guess what's gonna happen? Once you click on it, I'm gonna show you what happened. This thing is gonna invite all of them. So you can see now I have the option to select all of my friends. So I could just click on select all, and all it's doing right now, as you guys can see, is going down. It's going down and it's selecting all my friends. Now, if you have over 4,000 friends, back in the days, Facebook used to allow you to get as much as your friends to the webinar. You can invite all of them. Now, the cap is 2,000. So if you have less than 2,000, you're good to go. If you have more than 2,000, what you need to do is to not let it finish uploading all the friends. Once you feel like it's at a level, like right now, I would click send and it would send it out. Because if I let it go all the way out to all my friends, so all 5,000 friends that I have, it's gonna tell me that I exceeded the amount of friends. So you want to send it right before it gets to finish. You don't want to wait. If you have over 4,000 or 5,000 friends, you don't want to wait for it to get to all of them, because it's gonna give you an error message. All right, so once you do that, you invite them to the webinar. Once they get to the webinar, guys, I'm gonna let it finish so I can show you guys literally exactly what it's gonna say. I know it's gonna say that because I've tried it a couple of times before, and that's what it says. All right, so once you do that, guys, they're gonna be inside of the event, and then boom, you can go ahead and we'll have different links in there. You will have your link. What I love about LSN, which is the webinar program, you guys can see it says for me to kill the page because it's not working, right? But if I had sent it before that, I wouldn't have any problem at all. All right, so as far as if you sending them to the event that I made, all you gotta do, go to the event. I'm just gonna try to cancel this. It's probably not letting me, but anyway, go to the event. Once you get there, click on invite all your friends, and with the app, as you guys can see, it says the number exceeded. Come here, click on the little envelope and invite all your friends. Now, if you want to do it the second way you can do it, guys, the second way you can do it is to create your own event and copy everything that you see that I have in there. And for you to create your own event, just click on your home page and then click on the events that you have already. If you go on your home page, and you're gonna look on top where it says event. There's 10 of them. You click create. You can create your own event, give it your own name, and put the link in there to the event and invite everybody to the event. Once you do that, you invite all your friends. When they come to the event, let's see, where was I? I think I left the other event that I was part of. But once they come to the event, what I'm gonna do is tell them to go back to the person who referred them. But the powerful thing with LSN, guys, you're gonna be able to, right now on the first webinar we having, I'm not gonna do the LSN webinar page because I want it to be sustainable, everything, since I'm gonna show the back office and everything. So I'm gonna show it through my other webinar page. But after that, any event that we have in the future, this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna have an event page, you're gonna have a webinar page, and your ID. All you gotta do is copy and paste. I don't know how much misery that I went through with my team when I'm doing a hangout. I could never put no link on the hangout, and I have to refer people back and say, hey, go back to the person who referred you to the page to get signed up. But with this, with the lead system network, when you set up a webinar, people, they're gonna be able to put the username at the end, and if the person sign up, it's gonna be directly under them. Again, I set up the webinar already, but I don't know, like the back office has been a little bit funny. Well, as you guys can see, they're in pre-launch, they're setting up everything, but it looks super cool, guys. Super cool, guys. I'm telling you, I set up that event, it was super cool. So in the future, that's what we're gonna be doing. But as of now, I'm gonna put the link for the event. Is gonna be it's not gonna have any link at the bottom where people can sign up right away, but I'm gonna tell them go back to the person who signed them up. But I'm also gonna try to have the link for the LSN event that I set up with this link, and all you gotta do is change the username. I will let you know if it's working. If it's not working, we'll just use my regular lead pages, event page that I will make. But I am ready, guys. Go invite all your friends. Again, remember, go to the event or create your own event, then click on invite friends, and then click the little I. Go to Google and search for Facebook invite all add-on and get the little I. Once you have it there, you'll be able to select all your friends, invite them to the event. That was Cater. This stuff is going bananas. I'll see you guys later at 6 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Eastern time. See you guys later. Bye.